Hello everyone, wishing you all a successful and wonderful new year 2025. Today, let's see about 4 important things to do in this new year. Number 1. Keep learning. Always keep learning new things, not only new things, but also in every aspect. Learning helps us to be a better person and more competent. Example, new software, new skills, new ideas. Number 2. Keep improving. Once we start to learn things automatically, we will be on the path of improving. Improving includes our personality, our business, our skills, our career, etc. Example. While reading a newspaper, don't ignore difficult English words. Make an effort to learn them to improve your vocabulary. Number 3. Keep growing. Always start small and take small steps. You cannot reach your destination immediately. It is a result of continuous process. Every year you need to be consistent and finally you can reach your destination. Example. Companies like Reliance and Adani didn't grow suddenly. They expanded step by step over the years, eventually becoming large and successful businesses. Number 4. Keep moving forward. The most important thing, always keep moving forward. Whatever the situation might be, business, planning to reach your goal, by all means keep moving forward. There might be ups and downs, there might be falls, issues, breakdowns, etc. Don't hold, just keep moving, which will make you better and lead you to success. Example, starting a business during COVID was challenging, but persistence is key. Keep moving forward to rebuild and achieve success. Hope you understand that learning these 4 things is important. Once again, wishing you all a great new year. Thank you.